Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to remove multiple friends on Snapchat. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open up Snapchat. So here we are. As you can see, I'm currently here on the Snapchat app on the camera screen. Now to find your friends, the first thing you're going to want to do is come up and press onto your profile picture in the top left-hand corner, and that's going to take you across your account page. Now from here, you want to scroll down slightly until you see the section for My Friends, and then give that a press. And this way, you can come to find all your current friends on Snapchat. Now to go ahead and delete any of your friends, what you want to do is press and long hold on the friend that you want to remove. What that's going to do is bring up this menu for the friend. And what you want to do is press on Manage Friendship, and then press the Remove Friend button. What that's going to do is bring up a confirmation like this saying, "Are you sure you want to remove this person as a friend?" Just simply go ahead and press Remove to remove that person as a friend. Now, at the time of recording, there's no way to actually remove multiple friends. So you can't, for example, press and hold to select multiple friends to delete. You do need to go through and do this one by one. If you want to remove multiple friends, what I could recommend doing is actually deleting your Snapchat account and starting a fresh new account. But at the moment, to remove friends on Snapchat, you need to go through and remove each friend manually. So that's basically how you can remove multiple friends on Snapchat. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.